Hello everyone, welcome to your third tutorial on RhinoBoard. So I hope that you have seen the previous tutorials and if you have not seen them, I recommend that you see them first before proceeding to this tutorial. So now in this tutorial we will learn about UART and how to do serial communication. Well, this will be useful in many applications where let's say you want the RhinoBoard to put something on the serial port, and using that value on the serial port you want to do something else. For example, you want to design a burglar alarm where you want to connect an infrared sensor to the RhinoBoard, and if someone crosses the line, the infrared sensor will be triggered, and if that happens, so the RhinoBoard should send a trigger on the serial port, and depending upon the value received on the serial port, you can do some other action. This is just an example. So in this tutorial we'll see how to write a program to print something on the serial port using the RhinoBoard. And before we proceed ahead, I would like to mention you that if you have any innovative idea on the RhinoBoard, I definitely recommend that you first buy the RhinoBoard, develop that application and mail us whatever you have done at info@robokit.co.in. If we like your project, then we'll publish the project on our site and we'll reimburse you for the board and whatever hardware that you've used in the project. So please keep that in mind. So now as you can see, I have this Quicksy ID before me, and in that I have written the code. So basically first we need to write over here that at which rate you want to communicate. So right now we will be using the standard rate, that is 115200. Then the rest of the code is quite self-explanatory, but I'll again go over it. You need to use the initialize function. So this will initialize the communication, and then again you need to initialize the UART communication. So basically UART is just basically a chip that enables you to do serial communication on your computer. Then we are printing on the serial port, that is sample port made by RhinoBoard. So we are printing this content. Then we have a while loop in which if you type anything, that character will be displayed again on the serial port. So this is just an example to show you what we are trying to do. Obviously you can modify this code and write whatever you want. And whatever sample codes I am writing in this tutorial will be available in the CD when you purchase the RhinoBoard, and it will also have many more codes. So please check them out. So now I have already dumped the code on the RhinoBoard, so I'll directly see the output on the hyper terminal. So you can see this is again a terminal we are developing at RhinoBoard, which will be available soon. Let's just connect. So as you can see that the code is now, whatever I have typed in the code is now available on the serial port using sample code made by RhinoBoard India. So you can type again whatever text that you want, and this was just a tutorial to show you how to do serial communication on RhinoBoard. And thank you very much for watching this tutorial.